read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected parents, how are you? I hope you all are fine and enjoying with your kids. Today in the classroom, we taught to the students uppercase and lowercase letter T. At home, which objects you could use for teaching uppercase and lowercase letter T? A cup of tea. Keep it on the table. We should take tea after doing the work. So take a cup of tea. Keep it on the table. Hot, hot tea. Hot, hot tea. Many students likes to play with toys, trucks. So let's start. How to write uppercase and lowercase letter T, its sound and vocabulary words. Start from the first line, come straight down, make sleeping line. It will make capital T. It will make capital T. Start from the dot, come straight down, turn the loop, make a cut, make sleeping line. It will make small t. The letter name is T. The sound of T is T, T, T. Toys, T, T, T. Truck, T, T, T. Tea, T is hot. T is hot. After that, visualize this page. T, T, tie, T, T, tent, T, T, turtle, T, T, T. Teddy bear. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. What's a teamwork? Work together to solve problem is called a teamwork. After that, they will visualize the story. Story time. A turtle wore a tie. Oh my God, how funny. A turtle wore a tie. Its friend, Teddy Bear, admired his look. Together they enjoy a lovely picnic inside the tent. They are eating a lot of things. They are enjoying together. Look, wow. I hope so you understood how you have to teach your kid at home. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.